Alright, I've got a super brief devlog for you today on AlphaRing, so let's just skip the cold open and get right into it. Hello and welcome to Off the Grid with Jack Bittner. I'm happy to announce that version 1.3.5 of the Splitscreen mod for Halo Master Chief Collection has been released. A lot has changed from my last video, so if you haven't watched it yet, I recommend you check it out for a full guide on how to install the mod and fix the fatal error message that appears on some Linux devices. Anyway, I figured it would be beneficial to make a devlog video to go over all of the new features that I've added. I'm still testing these features out, but we're almost to the point where all the settings from the original fork are replicated in my new UI. Let's get started. Starting off with number 1, controller profiles. Back in my day, you didn't have the ability to map the buttons however you wanted. Instead, you had to choose from 6 different controller profiles with predefined button mappings. In the spirit of preserving that good old Xbox nostalgia, I've created a similar system in my menu. However, I know that many of you like to create your own mappings. So because of that, I added the mappings to the CFG file that gets generated when you first install AlphaRing. If you want to make your own custom profiles, you can edit this file. I've even included a guide that generates with the file so you can map the actions to the correct button IDs. Moving on with number 2, controller sensitivity. By popular demand, I've added look inversion and sensitivity adjustments. Now if you want to change your sensitivity, you can just open up the menu, bump your sensitivity up or down. You can also toggle look inversion if you're one of those people.
That thing, it scares me.
Before I move on, it should be noted that any changes to anything, does not immediately update if you're playing Halo Combat Evolved or Halo 2. This includes controls, player count, and player color. In the older games, you'll have to quit the match or campaign that you're in and restart. Once you're back in the session, your changes will be reflected. Also, in Halo 3 onwards, all games apply changes immediately. It's only the older games that are actually impacted by this issue. And finally, number 3, bug fixes. Halo Combat Evolved and Halo 2 campaigns now work with anniversary graphics. I was able to successfully load into both campaigns and play them without any issues. Dual wielding in Halo 2 is no longer broken. When you change your controller profile, the dual wielding pickup is automatically mapped to whatever button you specify as change weapon. Also, someone reported that navigation in the menu via the arrow keys and WASD wasn't working, so that's fixed too. That's all the updates for now. The next feature I'm planning to implement is a launcher so that players can switch between the mod and regular Halo with ease. For more information on that, check out my Discord server. Speaking of my Discord server, if you have any issues, please refer to the FAQ channel in there. There are 2 commonly occurring issues that people face when installing the mod for the first time, that being the fatal error issue on Linux/Steam Deck and changes not being applied instantly on Halo Combat Evolved and Halo 2. Both of these fixes for these issues are now documented, so if you run into them, you don't have to wait for someone to reply to your comment in the general channel. With that out of the way, happy slaying, Spartans. God bless you.